Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Jazz emblem. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need a few key items: a heat gun, some strong fishing line or dental floss, and an automotive adhesive remover. Also, grab a microfiber cloth and painter's tape. Before you begin, make sure the area around the emblem is clean and dry. This ensures better adhesion for your tape and a clearer view of your work. Now, let's gently warm up that emblem. Using your heat gun, apply heat to the emblem for about 30 seconds. Hold the heat gun approximately 6 to 8 inches away from the car's surface to avoid any damage to the paint. The goal is to soften the adhesive, not to melt anything. After 30 seconds, carefully touch the emblem. It should feel warm to the touch, but never too hot to hold your hand on. With the adhesive softened, it's time for removal. Take a piece of fishing line or strong dental floss, about 2 feet long, and carefully slide it behind the emblem. Hold one end in each hand and use a gentle sawing motion to work the line through the adhesive. Move slowly and steadily, applying consistent, light pressure. This technique helps to separate the emblem from the car without causing any damage to the paintwork underneath. Great job, the emblem is off. Now, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Apply a small amount of automotive adhesive remover onto a clean microfiber cloth. Gently rub the affected area in small circular motions until all the sticky residue is completely gone. Finally, use a fresh, clean microfiber cloth to buff and polish the area. This will restore your car's paint to its original, pristine condition, leaving no trace of the emblem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.